When you need Oriental rug cleaning from urine odor, what is the right question you should ask that will save you money, time, and most important, aggravation?
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Most of the Oriental rug that I receive to clean them from urine odor are clean. No dust, no any traffic area, beautiful clean. However, they smell from urine and cleaning product the customer use. The combination of the cleaning product and the pee-pee blend in the rug and it's very hard to remove it. Let me guide you what you should ask every carpet cleaner before you send your Oriental rug to be clean. Ask the Oriental rug cleaner, do you have any video that I can watch how you clean the rug? After watching the video, ask yourself, if they use a scrubber on my Oriental rug, is this the right way to clean Oriental rug? Usually scrubber designed to clean a floor mat in front of Home Depot or a restaurant floor, not my Oriental rug. I barely vacuum it. I vacuum so gentle the Oriental rug. So why are they using a scrubber to remove the urine odor? My Oriental rug is not dirty. It smells bad. If it smells bad, I don't need the scrubber and this carpet cleaning equipment on my Oriental rug. We at PetPeePee develop a cleaning product based on the Dead Sea minerals. This odor-free cleaning product, it's acidic, like vinegar, will wash the Oriental rug through the rug. We cover the rug with the Dead Sea minerals and we vacuum through the rug. This cleaning process will ensure that your Oriental rug is not going to have any trace of any odor, no pee-pee and no chemical smell. Cleaning Oriental rug from urine odor without harming this art on the floor. Because we never use a scrubber, your color will never run. Because we never use enzyme and deodorize, we guarantee the removal of urine odor permanently, naturally. Because we're using the odor-free Dead Sea minerals. And because we clean your Oriental rug without touching the rug in the cleaning process, we guarantee the red will stay red and the white will stay white. The color will never run. The art on the floor, for me, it's an art to clean it. The same way how I conduct my artwork.